Hey there, how are you? Choosing a college major can be a daunting task. With so many options to choose from, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to choose the right college major for you. Step 1. Evaluate your interests and passions. The first step to choosing the right college major is to evaluate your interests and passions. Ask yourself what subjects you enjoy learning about and what hobbies or activities you're passionate about. This will help you narrow down your options and find a major that aligns with your interests. Step 2. Consider your career goals. The next step is to consider your career goals. What kind of job do you see yourself in after graduation? Make sure the major you choose will provide the necessary skills and knowledge to achieve your desired career. You can research different careers and the majors that will help you get there. Step 3. Research the major. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's time to research the majors. Find out what courses are required and what kind of job opportunities are available after graduation. Talk to people in the field, attend events, or join organizations related to your major to get a better understanding of what it's all about. Step 4. Consider your personality and skills. When choosing a major, it's also important to consider your personality and skills. Some majors may require certain personality traits or skills, such as strong communication or leadership skills. Make sure you choose a major that plays to your strengths and aligns with your personality. Step 5. Take time to make a decision. Finally, don't rush your decision. Take your time and weigh all of your options. It's okay to change your mind after starting your studies. What's important is that you choose a major that will make you happy and set you up for success. And that's it. Remember, choosing a college major is a big decision, but with the right information and a little self-reflection, you can find the perfect fit for you. We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.